Hey everyone, it's Janik. Today we're breaking down Shopify pricing in 2026. Shopify has multiple plans ranging from just $5 per month for the starter plan to $20,500 per month for Shopify Plus. But the total cost isn't just the subscription fee. You also pay transaction fees, shipping, apps, and sometimes third-party processor fees. I'll explain every plan, what each really costs, and extra expenses so you can pick the right one. The starter plan costs $5 per month and is best for social media or messaging sales. You can sell on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook and use buy buttons on your existing website. Transaction fees are 5% plus 30 cents per sale if you use Shopify payments. For example, on a $50 sale, you pay $2.80 in fees, keeping $47.20. The starter plan is perfect if you already have an audience. The basic plan costs $29 per month annually or $39 monthly. You get a full, customizable online store, unlimited products, 2 staff accounts, 4 inventory locations, abandoned cart recovery, discount codes, basic reports, and up to 77% shipping discounts. Transaction fees with Shopify payments are 2.9% plus 30 cents per sale, or an extra 2% if using third-party processors. For a $100 sale, you pay $3.20 in fees. This plan is ideal for new stores launching their first e-commerce site. Next is the Grow plan at $79 per month annually or $105 monthly. It includes everything in basic plus 5 staff accounts, 5 inventory locations, professional reports, better shipping discounts up to 88%, and lower transaction fees, 2.7% plus 30 cents with Shopify payments. For a $100 sale, you pay $3. Grow is perfect for small teams making consistent sales and needing advanced reporting to track profits and customer behavior. The advanced plan is $299 per month annually or $399 monthly. It gives you up to 15 staff accounts, 8 inventory locations, advanced reports, third-party calculated shipping, automatic duties and import tax, and the lowest transaction fees, 2.5% plus 30 cents. For a $100 sale, you pay $280. This plan is best for high-volume stores or those selling internationally with complex shipping needs. Shopify Plus starts at $2,500 per month or 0.25% of sales, with pricing negotiated for large businesses. It includes everything in Advanced Plus: unlimited staff accounts, dedicated account manager, customizable checkout pages, advanced automation, priority support, and negotiated payment rates. Plus is designed for enterprise retailers doing millions in annual sales or needing custom features. Besides subscription fees, extra costs include transaction fees if you don't use Shopify payments, app subscriptions, premium themes, domain names, and payment options like Shop Pay installments, which adds 5 to 6% per sale. Shipping fees also vary based on carrier and location. These additional costs can add up, so it's important to plan your budget beyond the monthly subscription. Shopify offers 25% off on annual billing for basic, Grow, and advanced plans. You can also start with $1 per month for 3 months as a promotion. Pay monthly when testing, switch to annual when committed. Start with the plan that fits your current business needs and upgrade as you grow. This helps manage costs while accessing the right features at each stage. Check the description for full pricing details and examples.